Chase Wave.
YouTube, what's going on? Driver Squad, what's going on? It's your boy Chase Wave back with another video. I hope y'all are having a good day, because I'm having a good day. Because right now on this video, I got some heat. I'm talking about not no little sizzle. I'm talking about flamethrower. I'm talking about I wish I had the edit. Have you ever seen that SpongeBob episode when I think it was like a fire or something, and SpongeBob was making that fire alarm noise? But anyway, yeah, man. It was a success. It was a success. It was a success for me to win. Try again. It was a success for me to win on the Snkrs app. Now this was last Saturday, because these dropped on the 3rd, I believe. And your boy was still on the road. I was still driving the trucks, you know. And I just got done driving about 7 in the morning. So I had 2 more hours. Not 4, but 2. I had 2 more hours until 9 o'clock. So I just got off the road. I just finished driving. Took my shower, laid down. And I know I had, at 7:45, I was like, I bet. I'm going to set my alarm at 8:57, wake up, and try to get these shoes. Now, the first time I did this and set my alarm, it was for the black ones. And I overslept by 2 minutes. And I didn't know nothing about the drawings. And once I seen 9 o'clock, I was like, dang, I lost it. Oh, well. So I just went back to sleep. I just said, forget it. So I didn't talk about this. And I think on the Snkrs app, everything is based off of luck. When I won the Prestos, as soon as it turned 9 o'clock, well, when it turned 8:59, I counted in my head 40 seconds. And then I refreshed it, 9 o'clock came, I entered the drawing, and then I had to wait 10 minutes, and luckily, I got selected. So I think it's based off of luck. I wish it was skill, but I think it's everything based off of luck. And whatever time you click the drawing, you could probably be the first one or the last one. It doesn't matter. It's all based off of luck. So it ain't no skill in that winning on the Snkrs out. But guess what? I won. That's all that matters. Let's get back to the video. But this right here, let me show y'all. With the Prestos, baby. Size 8, the Tense collection, Nike Air Presto, off-white. But with this, I looked up with the Snkrs out, and let me see. I was just happy. I'm gonna be honest. I was like, thank you, God, and then I went back to sleep. I smiled and I went back to sleep, because you know, you need all your sleep on the road. But check these out, man. These mud is beautiful. I'm still having a hard time managing what I like to do. Would I like to sell them? Would I want to keep them? But I think I'm gonna keep them. I think I'm gonna spray these with Crep Protect, or I think I'm gonna spray it with Crep Protect, or I'm gonna use Underground Station waterproof spray, or I might just sell them and don't even have to worry about. Or I think I might just trade them for the black ones. I think that's what I might do. I might try to get the black ones and just trade them. Cause I know, right, one little wrong thing is gonna go wrong, and I ain't trying to have that done. It's pretty dope though. I feel pretty happy. I know, of course, I'm gonna take these to the storage unit. You know how that go, baby. I'm gonna take these to the storage unit and put these up. Figure out what I'm gonna do. Sell them, keep them. I know if I keep them, I'm gonna get the black ones. If I sell them, I'm gonna just sell them for what they're going for. I think they're going for 7, close to 8. Ain't no telling. Hope if Famous Superstar keep wearing them so the price can go up. If you a reseller out there, y'all know the deal, man. Let people keep messing them up. They need a fresh pair. The price go up, so I think I might just keep these in the storage unit for a little minute. For about I want to say for about 2 more months. It should be up in the thousands. So I'm gonna try to hold out for 2 more months. Because people gonna be itching for them for Black Friday and for Christmas. And let me go and get y'all some more shots so y'all can see close up. And then I guess we can go and get up out this video and I'm gonna let y'all continue y'all day. So take this a closer look.